Kambi mar VIUTRAVEL oyangi kaka kambi maberie moloyo e chano wuodhe pachoka e mich mag kembe masiro limbe pachoka higani manobagi e kaunti ma Nairobi. VIUTRAVEL oyudo loch makamano e piem mane iye tek mokalo ka piem makamano noywayo kembe mohewo 5,000. Mich makamano nichiwo ne kembe, migepe kaachiel kod oganda mopogore opogore mosebedo kasiro kendo chwalo weche kotenore kod bero limbe e pachoka. E kinde ma VIUTRAVEL hingo nyasi makama, gisingo ne customers magi ni gibiro medo bero chenro mag wuodhe e thurka.
We are very happy actually to have won. It has shown our dedication to our corporates, and we thank them actually for voting for us, being with us and working with us this journey.
For us to even be recognized, this is because the market, you, our consumers, told us you want us to do this for you, you want us to show you the world, and as VIUTRAVEL, that's what we're doing, and we're going to do it more. We have amazing packages this Valentine, we have amazing packages over March for Women's Day, in Women's Month, we have amazing packages over Easter. We have so many packages coming up.
Tourism is a key pillar of our economy, contributing significantly to the GDP, employment and community development. Beyond the numbers, tourism is about people and